Welcome, y'all. I'm Wes Hagan, if you haven't figured that out by now, and I am your host at the Miller Family Wine School. I'm also the consulting winemaker and the brand ambassador for the Miller Family Wine Company. I've been a professional winemaker, wine judge, wine writer for over 25 years, and I am here to help you understand wine by giving you my unfettered opinion, without notes, without a spit bucket, without a prompter. Let's talk about wine. So the last segment that we're going to do today is going to fall under the rubric of where should I shop for wine. So, of course, being the brand ambassador for the Miller Family Wine Company, we would love for you to join the Miller Family Wine Club. We'd love for you to go over to millerfamilywines.com and take a look at J. Wilkes, Barrel Burner, Ballard Lane, and the Smashberry wines that we make. We make amazing wines between about $8 and $80, but most of our wines are between $15 and $20, and really amazing quality. I'll leave that with you. Now let's talk a little bit about beyond my strictly commercial view. Putting sort of the Hale corporate behind us, let's talk a little bit about other places and other ways that you can buy wine. Of course, a lot of people buy wine right in their supermarket. They know their brands. It's like buying cigarettes. They pull those brands. We call those pull brands, the brands that just are kind of eponymous. They are just obsequious. Everywhere you go, there they are. You pull those wines, you drink those wines, you go back to the supermarket and you buy more. Of course, you can always go to a place like Bevmo, a large box store, Beverage and More, Total Wine and More. The wines generally have pretty good deals. You can look at the 5-cent sale if you know what you're doing in the 5-cent sale. Obviously, you know that the 5-cent sale, they have to make money. They're not getting those wines for 3 cents a bottle. So clearly, you're seeing a little bit of an elevation in price for some of these sales. So when you pay the 5 cents, the average price of the 2 bottles together are generally going to be about the same price that you pay on a good deal other places. If you have a good brick and mortar store with people that really help you find wines that you love, a local store, a store that's not a chain, please do support those people. These off-premise sellers of wine, spirits, and beer are incredibly important. Very, very important. And a lot of them are my friends and the people I sell wine to. So if you have someone who really has helped you buy wine locally or beer, spirits, whatever you're drinking, do support those businesses. I think they're very important moving forward. And we're going to unfortunately probably see a lot less of them after COVID. How about Costco? How about big box stores, stuff like that? Walmart. Walmart tends to have wines that have very, very high amounts of popularity. You're going to see your Barefoots, you're going to see your Moscatos, you're going to probably see a little bit of Kendall Jackson, you'll probably see some Gallo products. Not a huge selection, but the wines you'll find there are generally going to be very good and very value oriented. If we want to go into the online world, we can go from everything to wine.com, which is doing a heck of a job right now, I think. Wine.com has a really good deal where you can buy shipping for the whole year. It's sort of like a Prime membership, and then everything you buy just all ships for free. So it kind of encourages you to buy more wine. There are places like if you go to Miller Family Wine Club or millerfamilywines.com, you can use all caps penny shipping and get penny shipping on up to a case of wine. So 6 bottles to a case. So that's another way you can do it. When you go to wine.com, nice thing is they do have a number of people that will help you. And one thing I forgot when we talked a little bit previously about how to find wines you love, you can go to wine.com and all the people that work there are actually generally certified sommeliers. So you're not going to just be talking to some sales hack or some person in a foreign sales call center. You're going to be talking to a real sommelier at wine.com. And I like how wine.com does business. So that's a good option as far as even if you want to have a wine, a teacher or someone who's going to help guide you through the process of tasting wine. I think they do a very good job at wine.com, and our wines are there too, but you get a better deal at our wine websites. Let's see what else. How else to buy wine? Online, in person, supermarket, brick and mortar, off premise. I think that'll pretty much cover it. If you have any questions, let me know, whagan@jwilkes.com or whagan@millerfamilywines.com. I will certainly answer your question personally. And please let us know if you can ever come out to Santa Maria, California, if you want to visit our J. Wilkes tasting room in downtown Santa Barbara at 35 State Street, Suite B. We'd love to have you, and anything I can do to help you understand wine, feel free to send me any questions or subjects you'd like covered at the Miller Family Wine School. Thank you guys so much and have a fantastic wine-soaked week.